I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite, the best suite app to manage the invoices generated by SuiteBilling. And today I will walk you through how to add renewal information to subscription plans in NetSuite. The first thing to do is to go to List, Subscriptions, Subscription Plans. We then find the subscription plan that we want to renew and click on Edit. Once you're on the screen for a subscription plan, in the bottom part you need to find the Renewal sub-tab. From the default renewal term list, you select the renewal term for the subscription, here 1 year. Then from the default renewal method, so this one, you can choose the renewal method. If you selected Extend existing subscription, you're almost done. Proceed to the final steps. If you chose create new subscriptions, you'll need to do the following. First, you'll need to select a default renewal subscription plan. And then once this is done, you need to choose the default renewal transaction type, which can be set to do not create sales transactions, estimate, opportunity, or sales order. To automatically initiate the renewal process, check the automatically initiate renewal process box. And then yes, you can enter here in this number the number of days for the before subscription end date field. Quick note that if you're finding this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more NetSuite tutorials. And when the uplift pricing feature is enabled, you can apply automatically percentage price increases to a customer's renewal pricing on the renewal uplift sub-tab. So here you can see I have it, so it's probably sub-tab by then. You can enter the desired price increases for both the tier and the header levels. This feature acts as a template for renewal pricing updates. When you create a renewal, the pricing plan updates automatically based on the defined percentage uplift. After you've entered all relevant renewal and pricing information, you click on Save. Once saved, the Price Books sub-tab you will see here available will allow you to create a price book by assigning price plans for each item. If you've enabled the global invoicing preference, define percentage uplift for subscription line, NetSuite will automatically apply percentage price increases for customers' renewals. In order to chase the invoices that will be generated by SuiteBilling, Kolleno can help you optimize that with a Suite app seamlessly integrated with NetSuite. And that's it. You've successfully added renewal information to your subscription plan. Don't forget to like this video and check the comment sections for more tips and tricks. Bye bye.